Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a Scrap Room Flavors of the Month kit kind of reveal and show and tell. I'm going to show you what this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit all has in it, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a lovely 2-page spread that I apologize, I'm not going to tell you how I did it because it is a recipe for those who subscribe. So if you want to know how this page comes together, make sure you subscribe to the Scrap Room kits and you will get the recipe with instructions and everything for the kit. So this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, where Flavors of the Month kit, you get 4 different mini collections in each month, and in each of those little mini collections you get 2 pieces of pattern, or 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and some embellishments. So with this PhotoPlay collection, this is PhotoPlay Family Fun Night, so very game movie themed. They've done other ones like this. I really like them. They're some fun colors. Everyone's gonna get 2 pieces of this beautiful blue cardstock. It's called Sapphire. And then everyone is also going to get 3 pieces of pattern paper. These pattern papers are your turn, so it's all these game pieces. On the A side, B side is puzzles. This one's called Movie Night, popcorn on the traditional red, and then film strips, which is really cool. And then roll the dice. So it's this beautiful stripe, and then dice, clearly. So a lot of good ways to document family fun night, or just someone's love of a game or love of puzzles or something. And I have some photos in mind, but I gotta go find them. And then everyone is going to get a half pack of ephemera, and this will vary depending on your kit. So you will not get all the same pieces that I get. So I got this sheet, which has got these, this is a round tag. These are just like round bits. Game on, a little spinner like on Twister, a Lego, oh there's Legos in here too, a Lego frame, our favorite game. Don't make me use my bingo voice. Family fun, this is Monopoly, and this one, then this one has Let the Good Times Roll. This lovely saying that says, if you're not prepared to lose every friend you have over a board game, you're not playing hard enough. Friends, family, and then in this house we are board gamers. So that's super fun. So we've got that and this lovely kit. So I am going to go ahead and create my page, pick out some photos, and here are some close-ups. I just decided to show you close-ups instead of showing you on film because yeah, it's the same thing. Close-ups, recipes for subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out the shop. Bye.